You see, a lot of people ask this question: is Monetag legit? And the answer is yes, and here is the proof. So as you can see here, this is my account, and in this account, as you can see here, I want to show you the withdrawal I made. So I made a withdrawal here. So my camera is not that clear because I'm recording this video somewhere in yeah, so don't worry about the camera. So as you can see here, I managed to withdraw this amount, that is $23.44, and as you can see here, we have the message which I managed to withdraw, but I haven't been active on this account so for like a month, but I will be back pushing this account up to $1,000. So guys, yeah, and I just wanted to prove and show you the receipt that this Monetag pays. So for the guys who it's the first time to hear about Monetag, I will pin the link for Monetag in the description there, and also it will be the first comment in this video. So how does this platform make money, and how did I make these $23 without no much effort? So because this is just a short video, make sure you subscribe, you like. I'll be dropping the long videos and explaining how I managed to make this amount of money, this cash, and we will be pushing this account up to $1,000 as you see. So first and foremost, one thing to state is that Monetag, for you to make money in Monetag, we have so many ways. As you can see here, we have like you can use Telegram mini apps. So I will be creating Telegram mini apps with you and showing you how you can be able to monetize as well. You can, this is one of the simplest. The second, I mean not the second, but I think this one is the fourth one. The fourth option for making money in Monetag is one of the simplest and one of the easiest one, and is just copying a link and posting this link, and when the link people click and are directed to that site, you get to earn, and the money reflects on your account. But for me, I never did anything. I never did all these things. It's just that I had a website which I managed to monetize, just a simple website that had the smallest traffic I can say, and I managed to withdraw my $23.44, and there you see. So yeah, I'll be uploading more content about this platform, about withdraw, how to withdraw, and how to avoid being banned, and also the methods of withdrawal. We have PayPal, we have Skrill, we have Pioneer, we have a lot of things. So let me just end the video there. Make sure you check it out. It's the first comment, and also the link is in the description of this video, and also it's the first comment. Yeah, so just make sure you follow up. I'll be dropping videos about the Monetag. Peace guys.